Now let's talk about using your windlass. The first step to doing this is to turn on the button that says Windlass on the C-Zone control panel at the helm. Before operating your windlass, it's always a good idea to check the clutch on the windlass. To do that, you'll go to your owner's packet and get the windlass handle that's in the bag. The purpose of the handle is to tighten the clutch on the windlass itself. You'll insert the handle into the windlass and tighten it by pulling back on it in the clockwise position. When the windlass clutch is tightened, this will allow the anchor to come up smoothly and securely. It will also prevent the anchor from falling back into the water. The next step is to disconnect the anchor safety cable. To do this, you disconnect the safety hook off the chain. There are two ways to use your windlass. The first way is to go forward and use the foot switches that are next to the windlass itself. To deploy your anchor from the bow, all you need to do is use the foot switch. You'll be able to push the button and that'll allow the anchor to go down. To retrieve the anchor, you'll see another switch that has an arrow that points toward the stern. That is the one you'll use to pull the anchor back up into the boat. And the second way is to use the rocker switch that we've installed on the console of this boat. To lower the anchor, you'll push the bottom of the rocker switch. To raise the anchor, you'll push the top. When I use this switch at the helm, I always like to have someone at the bow to look and see what's coming up with the anchor. Sometimes you might get a surprise. So once you're finished using your windlass, simply turn off the windlass switch on the top of the console and you'll be all set.